Hello, I'm here to show you Rose Boat O and Blue Moon Oo. Watch and listen. Rose Boat O, Blue Moon Oo. O, oo, o, oo. Did you notice? Both of these sounds move. They move in the lips. Watch my lips. Oh, ooh. Roseboat O starts with a more open position. Watch. Blue Moon Oo starts with a less open position. They both move. Try that with me. Oh, ooh, oh, ooh. Let's practice. Use your hand like I do to move for rose and blue. Ready? Rose boat, boat. Blue moon, boot. Boat, boot. Boat, boot. What's this? It's a boat. It's a boat. What's that? It's a boot. It's a boot. Soap, soup. Soap, soup. What's this? It's soap. It's soap. What's that? It's soup. It's soup. Toe, two. Toe, two. What's this? It's a toe. It's a toe. What's that? It's a two. It's a two. Pole, pool. Pole, pool. What's this? It's a pole. It's a pole. What's that? It's a pool. It's a pool. Let's review. Boat, boot. It's a boat. It's a boot. Soap, soup. It's a soap. It's soup. Toe, two. It's a toe. It's a two. Pole, pool. It's a pole. It's a pool. Well done. Remember that they both move.